Entering segment measurements. When you select a rectangle, ellipse, or single segment straight line, you can modify the distance in the Details menu on the right of the screen. This menu appears automatically when you select the surface. If you don't see the Surface Detailed menu when you select it, make sure you're set to Automatic Menu Opening in the Settings menu in the bottom left. If you get lost, you can always see this window by pressing the Details icon in the Surfaces tab. If you have a line and bend it, or add further segments to it, you will no longer be able to enter the total length value directly. This also cannot be done for polygons. When values cannot be entered directly, you can always use the blue handles to modify the geometry of a surface.